Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. Check this bad boy out. Another volunteer rolling out of the shop today. This from man Chad in Missouri. All right, and Chad added a couple cool options on here. He had to beg me for it because, guys, for those of y'all that don't know, our volunteer is actually on a shorter lead time than the rest of our build list. So right now, if you order a custom smoker from us, you're gonna be waiting about 52 to 60 weeks. I know it sucks. Hey, it is what it is. It's worth the wait. All right. The volunteer, however, you can get in a little bit shorter, 16 to 24 weeks, somewhere in there. We do that. We don't offer a lot of options on it. So guys, you kind of pick and choose what you get. That way it kind of streamlines it for us, lets us get them out there. So Chad's volunteer, he's got set up pretty badass here. He's got the off-road package. What's cool about our off-road package, the tires swivel all the way underneath. You spin them all the way around. Makes it pretty easy to maneuver around. Now this smoker's still heavy. All right, you got a 1/4 inch main chamber, 3/8 thick firebox. So it does weigh about 1,200 pounds. It's still heavy, but he can do it. He's got some upgraded wheels and tires for friends mods down in Texas. Those suckers are pretty badass. We'll check out the smoke chamber here. So guys, what kind of makes our volunteer stand apart from the rest is mainly the size of it. Now this is a 27-inch diameter chamber here, 52 inches long. So as you can see, you got a lot of cook space in here. Both sliding trays, okay? Bottom and top tray, both slide. You do have a water pan shelf back here in the back, so you don't have to set your water pan on your tray, take up cooking space. You can actually set it back up in here. A lot of cook space. If y'all haven't seen our video about cooking 11 briskets in this bad boy, go check that out on our YouTube. But yeah, we fit 11, and these were big boy briskets too, not no little girls. So 11 briskets in there. He's got the stainless steel front shelf. That's a great upgrade to add, guys. And coming over here, now this is the first time we did this, all right? Chad had to beg me. He actually came here and twisted my arm back behind my back, but we did him a griddle top. All right, guys, now this is gonna be an option we allow on the volunteer, still keep the shorter lead time. $499.99 gets you a built-in griddle top. It does have a grease drain back here. You hang a little cup on it, drain all your grease, and this, we do cut the firebox out, so your fire is hitting directly on this. It is gonna get pretty hot, so that ought to work out really well. Guys, it's nice to have a griddle top on there. While you're sitting there smoking all day, throw you something quick on here, cook it up, feed your kids, feed your wife. You know, everyone's howling you on where's the food at. There you go. In the firebox here, as I mentioned, it is 3/8 thick on the firebox, so you got an extra thick firebox. See, you've got D-ring tie-down points on all four corners. Those are really nice to add as well. Because that is this TMG volunteer. We're actually about to crate this thing up, ship it down there to them, and we're gonna get in there on the next one. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.